Why Gur Chana is the ultimate energy giving food? In the age of popcorn and nachos, eating Gur Chana might sound very old school, but did you know that these two superfoods can actually help boost health in many ways? Let's know how. Chana or gram is rich in essential vitamins and helps improve digestion. It has a high protein content and offers a variety of health benefits. Jaggery, also known as gur in Hindi, is made with cane sugar and loaded with iron and potassium. Highly recommended for anemic people. Chana is also a rich plant protein and it also aids in weight management and boosts your bone health. Chana is also rich in fiber and protein and it's a wonderful snack for weight loss. The combination of jaggery and chana assists in strengthening the muscles, and the protein content is also considered good for muscle health and overall metabolism. The combination is good for people suffering from constipation. The fiber content helps with better digestion and activates digestive enzymes in your body that stimulates bowel movement and relieves constipation. The combination of Gur Chana is rich in vitamin B6 which improves brain function. It also helps your body makes the hormone serotonin which regulates mood and norepinephrine which helps cope up stress. This combination also is a good source of phosphorus which is healthy for your teeth. Gur Chana is also heart friendly. Potassium content in this combination reduces the risk of heart attack and it helps control blood pressure. Also helps maintain acid levels in the body. So now you know what's your perfect on the go go-to snack.